Hi go-getters, queens, and everyone in between. I am so excited because I am getting my hair washed and retwisted today. I am at the Loc Den, Houston, so come on and go with me and let's get these locks done. Hey everyone, this is Nelson. He is my loctician for today. We're about to wash it. I'm so excited. This is great. I didn't have a lot of itching because I like put oil in and everything like that. But still, I was just like, I'm ready for a wash.
Yeah, like I need a wash.
Yes.
Yeah, that feeling of, okay, now it's time to just wash it down.
Actually, I felt like that last week. I was, I'm gonna hold on. I noticed a few of my coils at the back are like closed, like completely closed.
Oh yeah.
I was happy about that. I was like, okay, and it was like a little harder too.
Oh yeah, it starts at the tips and works its way up.
Yeah. They did?
Yeah.
None of them unraveled? None of my coils unraveled. So
very
excited.
careful.
Yes. And that's success, guys. So I had that nightmare for nothing, huh?
So what we have going on here, we don't have we don't really have, your scalp is doing great. There's no real big flaking, just a little bit here and there. Just keep doing what you're doing.
Okay.
The bottom dreads are feeling a little bit like they're locking up.
That's what I thought.
Yeah,
Yay!
they are. I can feel the toughness. That's really good. The triangles are still in place.
Good.
I would suggest as time goes, if you do have it where it starts to kink up on you, just kind of take it and just separate them.
Okay.
Because it looks really nice. Like I'm sitting here separating them and they're still in good shape. The partings aren't off. Whatever you're doing, keep doing it.
Okay.
Oh, everything is perfect.
Oh.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you.
Fastest retwist on starter locks I've ever done.
Really?
Because the partings are still perfect.
Wow. See, I love being like the first and the best. The fastest.
It is. It's like normally I'm like, now what did you do? How was you sleeping? You upside down. What was going on?
Oh yeah, I see some lymph coming.
See it coming through. Got it clipped all the way down.
Yeah. Because last time I was like, oh my gosh, my hair looks so short.
You see how your triangles are still there?
Yeah. And it looks good too. You done freshened up the part a little bit though, I see.
Yeah. Freshen them up. When I washed, I made sure I didn't.
Yeah.
Because that would have really changed the partings. Even though I want it to be like, I know your pain.
Yeah.
I know that you want to wash it, but we got it lightly.
It's delicate, yeah. But it was still nice. I feel good. My hair feels good. Now I am under the dryer. I am having such a great experience today. Oh wow, look at that.
Okay, so this is the final result of the second retwist on her coils, beginning her lock journey. We have right here just a little bit of budding, not too much, some here. But you've been doing a really good job, and I had mentioned earlier maybe talking about what you're doing to wrap your hair, what you're doing to keep it moisturized at the scalp, what products you're using. None of the parts are out of place. Again, we did upside down triangle parts. Sam started the locks upside down triangle. This is what, 4 weeks of new growth?
Yeah.
This is 4 weeks of new growth. There's definitely a big difference. I see about maybe an inch and a half of new growth from here. Let's see, and these are her curly coils. And then eventually what we'll do once it's completely locked is talk about doing some color at the root. And then, I mean, other than that, you guys, her hair is really shiny and healthy. I would say inbox a message about what kind of scarf she uses, and talk about those products because you're doing a really good job. And I wanted to show y'all the partings. Let's see. You see the partings are still the same. It's because she wraps her hair. Even if she works out or whatever she's doing, she's wrapping her hair.
All right, I love it. It looks so wonderful. Nelson did a wonderful job.
Yes, it was nice meeting you guys. And come see me for some color at the Loc Den.
Yes. And I will be back in 3 weeks this time.
Yes. Very good. Good job.
Thank you. Y'all, I absolutely love my hair. I am loving it. The growth is just like tremendous. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed my experience at the Loc Den. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment. You know I love that. And remember, there is no such thing as a loc.